Hello, my name is Dr. Peter Boone. I'm an adult reconstruction specialist here at the Orthopedic and Sports Medicine Center. We perform total joint replacements and now are offering outpatient total joint replacements for certain patients. Outpatient total joint replacement is clearly not for everyone, but for the healthiest patients who have high motivation and good support in their home, it is an option. These procedures can be done from the hospital, discharge home, or they can be done in the surgical center setting and discharge home. We will arrange for home therapy and home visiting nurse services so that patients have good care in a comfortable environment. And recent research has shown that these procedures done in the outpatient setting have equal success rates and do not have higher complication rates. And so patients can feel safe that this is an option for them if they are an acceptable candidate.